You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, let's talk about how to manage your Apple Watch. Now, this really depends on what exactly you want to do with it, but in general, management happens either on the watch itself or more thoroughly through the watch app on your iPhone. While the watch gives you access to many quick settings, the app offers full control over everything. In the watch app on your iPhone, you can manage just about every aspect of your Apple Watch. You can customize how notifications behave, tweak sounds and haptic feedback, and adjust workout preferences and health features like heart rate alerts. If you want the watch to behave a certain way during workouts, or you prefer not to get notified every time you stand up, this is where you make it happen. You can also fully manage third-party apps, install them, delete the ones you don't use, or change the layout of how they appear on the watch home screen. The app layout section gives you a visual grid so you can move things around with ease. Plus, all software updates can be handled from the app. And if you're using a cellular plan with your watch, you can manage that setup too, including features like wallet and emergency contacts. So whether it's customizing alerts, arranging apps, or setting up key health and communication features, the Watch app on your iPhone is really the control center for managing your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. See you later.